Hi, good evening. Hello, guys. Hello, good evening. This is Friday with Forum and we are live like on every Friday. हम ये live show करते हैं where we talk a lot about digital marketing. So here we are today also talking about digital marketing and I welcome all of you. Hi, guys. Just do let me know जितने भी लोग हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं can you just hear me properly or not? क्या आप मुझे अच्छे से सुन पा रहे हो? Whether am I audible properly or not? Just do let me know, guys, please. Hi everyone. Hi Rakesh. Hi. Hello. All right. Thank you so much to let me know that आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो. So guys, I welcome all of you on my show of this. This is every Friday we do like Friday with Forum and यहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं about digital marketing यानी कि आप मुझसे जो भी question answer पूछना चाहते हो in digital marketing, social media marketing को लेके advertisements or whatever you have a problem or maybe you want to know more about it, you can discuss with me in digital marketing. So this is a live question answer show. एंड हम ये हर फ्राइडे शाम को 6 बजे करते हैं जहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं और लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. सो गाइज दिस इज वन मोर डे. आई थिंक इट्स 23rd. आई थिंक 23rd डे है आज हमारा. 23rd वीक है एंड वी आर लाइक we are enjoying talking to everybody about digital marketing. So हर Friday हम बहुत enjoy करते हैं, बात करते हैं. And if you really want to talk to me about in the conference also, अगर आप मुझे conference video के format में भी बात करना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे नीचे जो video का button है Instagram में आप उसको भी click करके मुझसे बात कर सकते हो. But you need to have a legitimate question for that. So उससे पहले आप मुझे सिर्फ नीचे comment box में बताइए कि आप कौन से topic पे बात करना चाहते हो and I'll definitely take you live with me on Instagram. So moving ahead, of course, आपके questions आज सबसे ज़्यादा important होते हैं. But along with that, we also take our topic of the day. एंड आज का हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ द डे है दैट हाउ टू हैंडल कमेंट्स. हमें सोशल मीडिया के हमारे पोस्ट के ऊपर बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आते हैं तो उसको हैंडल कैसे करना है. देयर आर पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स, देयर आर नेगेटिव कमेंट्स, देयर कैन बी सम आर्ग्यूमेंटिव कमेंट्स, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कमेंट्स. तो इन सबको आपको हैंडल कैसे करना है. सो आई एम गोना टेक टुडे लाइक अ बिट अबाउट दैट इन बिटवीन. बट आपके क्वेश्चन सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहेंगे और हमें यज्ञेश ने ऑलरेडी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा है. सो लेट मी टेक दैट. गूगल अकाउंट हैज बीन सस्पेंडेड, ट्राइंग ऑल थिंग्स बट कैन नॉट अगेन रीओपन. यज्ञेश, आई एम लाइक रियली सॉरी दैट योर अकाउंट गॉट suspended. I mean, what did you do? Unless we breach any of the policy of Google, this doesn't happen. So be very careful, guys, that आपके account कभी भी breach नहीं करे कोई भी उनकी policy or something, and you should not get suspended. Now, of course, there are ways that you can recover your account. You should definitely try to contact the support team of the Google and try doing that. And this is a technical question. So if you really want my help, you can definitely book our call consultation and my team or maybe I'll personally look into it कि उसको कैसे recover करना है. So don't worry about that and I am feeling really sorry that your account is got suspended. Alright, so Hetal Patel has asked us a question that how to increase comments in Facebook and Insta. That's a really good question and very relevant to our topic of the day about handling the comments in Facebook and Instagram on your post or maybe on reviews and ratings and other platforms. Like जैसे कि आपकी ads में आपको बीच में comments आते होंगे. So how do you manage that comments? And how to increase comments in Facebook and Insta? Like let me take that now. Alright, so हम जब भी कोई पोस्ट करते हैं वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट एंगेजमेंट रेशियो, जिसे पोस्ट का एंगेजमेंट रेशियो कहते हैं, दैट शुड बी लाइक वेरी गुड. अब एंगेजमेंट रेशियो पोस्ट का कहाँ से बढ़ता है? दैट लाइक आफ्टर लुकिंग एट योर पोस्ट पीपल शुड गेट मतलब वो या तो लाइक करे, कमेंट करे या तो शेयर करे या फिर उसके ऊपर एनीथिंग एक्टिविटी दे डू लाइक मे बी दे कैन सेव द पोस्ट, राइट. सो ये अगर कुछ भी करे तो आपका एंगेजमेंट रेशियो बढ़ता है एंड इसीलिए वी ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड कि हमारे पोस्ट का एंगेजमेंट रेशियो कैसे बढ़े एंड हाउ पीपल कैन गेट मोर एंगेज्ड विद. The first and very important tip, like how can you get more comments and more on Facebook and Instagram. तो वो क्वेश्चन था हेतल का, तो उसका फर्स्ट मेरे आंसर मैं ये दे सकती हूँ that try to post engaging questions. जब भी हम ऐसे पोस्ट करते हैं कि जिसमें हम क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, दैट मीन्स वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग पीपल टू आंसर. सो आप क्वेश्चंस पूछिए, लाइक हाउ आर यू फीलिंग टुडे, मे बी डू यू अग्री और नॉट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आप अगर अपने कोई भी टॉपिक के ऊपर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम कर सकते हो. मे बी फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर इंडस्ट्री, तो आप पूछ सकते हो कि मैक और विंडोज, तो what do you like. That is something like a polling. तो आप क्वेश्चन पूछिए, A B पोलिंग करवाइए लोगों से. एंड थर्ड हो सकता है मे बी कि आप अपना कोई ओपिनियन उस पर जाहिर कीजिए. अब आप जैसे ही अपना ओपिनियन रखेंगे और लोगों से पूछेंगे whether you agree or not, they would be definitely giving their opinions about the post what you have posted. And ऐसे टाइम पे आपको सबसे ज्यादा engagement मिलता है. So opinions, I would say, like questions, polls and opinion, these three things will really give you more engagement. And last and the blaster thing is start trying contest and giveaways. अब contest या challenges try कीजिए, giveaways try कीजिए, and that will give you a boost. Like मतलब वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा comments दे सकता है. For example, you can run a chain of a question जहाँ पे आप लोगों को चैलेंज कर रहे हो. दैट 30-second प्लैंक चैलेंज, मे बी आइस बकेट चैलेंज जो बहुत फेमस चैलेंज है. वैसे आप कोई भी अपनी इंडस्ट्री के रिलेटेड चैलेंज कर सकते हो. मे बी try not to opening Instagram for 24 hours. That is a challenge. Like maybe something else, maybe sari or something what you can put it. Maybe the best photo contest आप कर सकते हो. Like send us the photo and we will definitely give you the winners will get a giveaway. So by that people would be more interested and more enthused towards, because they are having a purpose कि वो शायद कोई contest में part कर रहे हैं and they will have a chance to win. Now ऐसे टाइम पे just add on tip for you all कि जब आप कोई कॉन्टेस्ट रन कर रहे हो अपने पेज से, ट्राई टू अनाउंस लाइक हाउ मेनी विनर्स आर गोइंग टू बी देयर. जैसे स्टार्टिंग में जब हम कॉन्टेस्ट रखते हैं, अगर आप इनिशियली बता रहे हो कि इसमें लाइक मे बी 5 विनर्स रहेंगे या 3 विनर्स रहेंगे, then people will feel like okay, we have more chance to win here because there are 5 people who can win. So मेरे जीतने की chances बहुत है, इसीलिए सभी लोग participate करेंगे. But if you have a contest जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही lucky winner होने वाला है, then the chances of winning are very less. तो people might think that मेरा तो नंबर ही नहीं लगेगा, so they would not be participating. So always have more winners and announce it well in advance. Like जब आप contest रख रहे हो that we have 3 winners or 5 winners. So that's it, like for the tips, like to how to engage, how to increase more comments and your Facebook and Instagram post ke upar. So we have shared, like we have discussed 4 things about it. I'm just quickly repeating, a lot of new people are joining us. So guys, if you want to increase the comments and feed comments on your Facebook and Instagram page, here are the 4 things that you have to do. Ask question, run polls, ओके, स्टेटमेंट ओरिएंटेड यानी कि आप ओपिनियन ओरिएंटेड पोस्ट रखिए. एंड फोर्थ एंड ब्लास्टर इज रन अ कॉन्टेस्ट और चैलेंज, राइट. दिस विल गिव यू मोर एंगेजमेंट ऑन योर पोस्ट. सो दैट्स 4 थिंग. बट आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक ऑफ द डे है, दैट इज अबाउट हाउ टू हैंडल दिस कॉमेंट्स. Now I'll talk more about it, but a lot of people have asked me in between. बहुत सारे लोगों ने questions पूछे हैं, and this is Friday with Forum, जहाँ पे हम हर Friday live करते हैं and ask we take your questions and हम आपके questions को first priority लेते हुए उसके answers देना पहले पसंद करेंगे. So let me go back to all the questions what we have got it, and let me see what people are asking. Okay, I have Sumit is asking, like I have boost on Insta and Facebook page, like does not increase. Oh Sumit, I'm so sorry. I need to really check, like like boosting first of all is a very infant stage option what you have used it. So I would believe you have to use ad manager, like proper Facebook ad manager, and वहां से आपको पेज लाइक की ad run करनी चाहिए if you want to increase your Facebook page like. But for Instagram there is no such ad जहाँ पे आपको directly followers मिल सकते हैं. Instagram has only the type of ad जहाँ पे आप प्रोफाइल विजिट करवा सकते हो. Now after visiting your profile, if your followers are feeling good, like if the viewers are feeling good about and interesting, उनको content लग रहा है, they may follow you, they may not follow you. So the ratio of Instagram following ad is like really low, but Facebook page like ads really works well. I don't know why it didn't work for you. आई होप आपने फ्यू जो मैं आपको क्विक पैरामीटर्स कह रही हूँ वो आपने सेट किए होंगे, जैसे कि आपने एड मैनेजर से एड रन की है, योर बैनर्स आर दैट क्रिएटिव एंड दैट इंट्यूज के लोग आपके पेज को क्यों लाइक करें, उनका मैसेज उनको क्लियर कट मिल रहा है, and your content also should justify that and give the reason to people that why they should like your page. If these things are correct, last and very important, your target audience is correct or not, like whatever you have put it in your filters, तो वो अगर सही है तो आपको जरूर रिजल्ट मिलना चाहिए. If you really want to take, like if you want me to look into your campaigns or something personally, you can definitely book a call, and we have this consultancy service, so you can definitely take that, like it's a 1-hour call, and I'll definitely personally look into that. All the best. Okay, M. Jain is asking how to sell anything on social media, and that's a really broad question, but I would love to take that. Alright, so if you are into product based business, like आपको कुछ बेचना है social media के ऊपर, so here are a few things that quickly coming to my mind. You can take a note of that. That is, first, use Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is meant for this feature, like to sell the products in your nearby location. So that will be a game changer for you. Second, Facebook Shops. Like Facebook Shop is allowed in India yet, like no online shopping, but at least people would be able to message you whether this product is available in the stock or not. So do that. On your Facebook call to action and on your Instagram call to action, यानी कि आपके Instagram के बायो में जो लिंक है वहाँ पे आप अपनी ऑनलाइन स्टोर की लिंक रख सकते हो. And in your Facebook bio or on your Facebook call to action also, you should put the link of your store, right? So that's how you will get more visibility. And third, you can definitely run the catalog ads, right? The ads जो carousel ads होते हैं, यानी the multiple product swiping होते रहते हैं हमारे मोबाइल में, and you should target correct audience and just directly redirect those people to your store, like online website के ऊपर आप लेके जाइए if you have a website, like so there people will directly go to that website and they will be able to shop. So that's for M. Jain, and I wish you all the best, that you sell like anything on social media, and I wish you all the best. I can add one more point. You can also use WhatsApp catalog, like WhatsApp business में है ये feature जो बहुत अच्छा है. So just try all these things and do let me know how did it work for you. Okay, so Hetal is saying, but we get more comments of image, not in content. I think I mean he means like content, right? So that's absolutely fine. I think Hetal, that should not bother you. So guys, Hetal का जो question है, it is about कि हम जब post करते हैं तो उसमें हमें content के format में reply नहीं आता है, comments नहीं आता है, लोग सिर्फ stickers भेज देते हैं, emojis भेज देते हैं maybe, or something like an image. So that's absolutely okay. Like until and unless you are getting the response, it's absolutely fine, like whatever format you are getting, because that shows that आपका content interesting है and आपका engagement ratio बढ़ रहा है. So that's absolutely okay. You are getting the response, that's the best part. Okay, let me take more questions. Let me go down and scrolling. I'm just checking out all the people's questions because आज हम Friday with Forum में है guys. So हर Friday हम ये live show करते हैं जहाँ पे आपके questions हम लेते हैं in digital marketing के related, and I would try my best to give you all the possible solutions ताकि आप digital marketing और social media marketing में एकदम excel करें. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट अगर कोई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग या सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग सीखना भी चाहता है, सो गाइज हियर इज एन अनाउंसमेंट लाइक फ्रॉम 5th April starting up with the new enthusiastic program. So just DM me for more information. Like it's a 2 weeks 12 session learning program and where it's a personally mentorship program as well, जहाँ पे हम आपको पर्सनली सारी चीजें सिखाएंगे प्रैक्टिकली. सो एनीवेज गोइंग अहेड, आज का हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो हम ले रहे हैं, so that is Janak ji. Okay, I want to know what is organic reach in Facebook page. वंडरफुल क्वेश्चन. सो जनक जी, मैं यहाँ पे आपको रीच के साथ साथ एक इम्प्रेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट भी समझाती हूँ, दैट वुड गिव यू मोर क्लैरिटी. सो फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ऑल दी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर हमारा जो मोटिव रहता है, दैट मोटिव इज दैट वी वांट टू रीच आउट टू मोर पीपल, राइट. सो जब भी आप कोई पोस्ट करते हो तो आपकी पोस्ट के कीवर्ड्स क्या है, हैशटैग कौन से रखे हैं, आपके पोस्ट का कंटेंट कैसा है, कंटेंट क्या है, ये सारी चीजों को एनालाइज करते हुए वो प्लेटफॉर्म आपके पोस्ट को अलग अलग लोगों तक पहुंचाता है. लाइक दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रीच, यानी कि इतने यूनिक लोगों तक आपका कंटेंट पहुंचा है. दैट डज नॉट मीन कि उन्होंने ये कंटेंट लाइक किया है. दैट मीन्स दैट उनके अकाउंट तक आपका जो भी मैसेज है, जो भी पोस्ट है, वो सिर्फ पहुंचा है. नाउ आफ्टर सीइंग इट, लाइक मे बी आई डिडंट लाइक द कंटेंट और मे बी आई डिडंट बॉदर टू क्लिक ऑन लाइक. मुझे अच्छा भी लगा होगा पर शायद मैंने क्लिक नहीं किया होगा लाइक. सो दैट्स ओके, बट दैट इज अ रीच, यानी उतने लोगों तक आपका मैसेज पहुंच चुका है, राइट. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रीच. नाउ अलॉन्ग विद द रीच गाइज, आप एक इम्प्रेशन करके टर्मिनोलॉजी देखोगे, बहुत सारी बार सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर होती है. व्हाट इज दैट इम्प्रेशन? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो रीच इज यूनिक पीपल, जहां तक आपका मैसेज पहुंचा है, आपकी पोस्ट पहुंची है. बट अगर वही लोगों ने 2 बार आपकी पोस्ट देखी है तो आपकी रीच डबल हो जाएगी. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक 500 इज द रीच, दैट मीन्स 500 यूनिक पीपल हैव सीन योर कॉन्टेंट. एंड अगर आपकी 700 इंप्रेशन है तो दैट मीन्स कि ये 500 में 200 ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने रिपीट मोड में आपका कंटेंट देखा है, 2 टाइम्स देखा है. दैट मीन्स योर टोटल इंप्रेशन इज 700. सो दैट्स रीच. आई थिंक ऑर्गेनिक रीच इसी को कहते हैं. ऑर्गेनिक रीच का मतलब होता है कि बिना पैसे पे किए, एनी पेड प्रमोशन नहीं किया है, नो मनी इज इन्वॉल्व हियर, एंड विथ योर ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एंड एफर्ट्स, आपके जो हैशटैग, कंटेंट, कीवर्ड, आपका जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, उसके बलबूते पे आप ऑर्गेनिकली कितना पहुंचे हो. There is no paid promotion which has been done, no booster of money that is added here. That's what organic reach means. I hope you got your answer and you are clear with that. So let me take more questions. This is Friday with Forum. So yes, of course, आपके question सबसे ज़्यादा important है guys. So let me take more questions. And somebody is asking me, if the comments become an argument, then how to handle it. Okay, let me take this. I would love to take this topic because आज का हमारा topic of the day है comments handle कैसे करने हैं. So guys, let me start here. Like there are 3 type of comments what you can get it on your any of the post, right? Or maybe any of the content what you are rolling. One is you can get a really good positive comments, and that is really like a blessing what you are getting because जब आपको positive और appreciative comments मिलते हैं, take that as a blessing. Personally आप उनको ध्यान दीजिए and just go and actual में आप वो सारे comments के ऊपर personally reply कीजिए. Now do not just copy paste the things, okay? Thank you copy paste नहीं करना है, but read the comment, understand what they are appreciating and आप उसी के ऊपर personally reply कीजिए that thank you so much for liking my content, thank you, I'm so grateful that you really like the content, or maybe you really like my video, I do agree with you, and etc. like personally reply कीजिए. So that is one. Like people who have really, seen your content, consumed your content, and they are appreciating you. They are taking their time, like valuable time out, and they are commenting on your video or maybe post. You should definitely take care of those people like first priority में. So उनको appreciate कीजिए. That is the first thing. Second, अब हमें second type of ऐसे comments आ सकते हैं जिससे हम कहते हैं negative comments. And when everybody gets the negative comments, guys, trust me, there are people whose sometimes are like mentality is negative at a time, जब वो आपका content consume कर रहे हैं, maybe intentionally आपको negative comment दे रहे हैं, maybe they are angry, they are not in correct mood, or whatever is the reason. Everybody gets negative comment. There are two ways to handle the negative comment. If the comment is handled, मतलब कर सकते हो अगर आप handle ऐसा लग रहा है, if comment is not that aggressively negative, just reply with the apology, or maybe just reply with the great empathy that we are extremely sorry that you felt bad about our product or service, or maybe you have a bad feedback. We'll definitely try to improve, and we wish that you would come next time, and we would like to serve you better. Something like that, that will definitely give more value, and आप जितना ज्यादा हम्बल रहोगे उतना अच्छा उनको सामने वाले को फील होगा. इट्स लाइक गांधी जी की नीति, लाइक सामने वाला कितना भी गुस्सा हो, या आप हमेशा एक बार स्माइल करके अगर प्रेम से उनको रिप्लाई करोगे तो शायद सामने वाले का गुस्सा भी ठंडा हो सकता है. सो जस्ट ट्राई दैट. एंड नाउ if you feel samne wala is totally angry, or maybe sometimes that people are with the negative mindset, negative vibes, negative intention and bad intentions, and they are just talking rubbish, or maybe they are just using some slang languages which you don't want to entertain at all, delete those comments. That's okay. Delete those comments. Just get out of that and just forget about those people. That's absolutely fine. All right. So that's the second type of comments. And now third, जो हमें इन्होंने पूछा भी अभी, so care to watch, I think he asked us that what about like comments अगर arguments में develop हो जाए. So first of all, never jump into any arguments online with any of your viewer, right? Just be nice to them even if you are not agreeing. अगर आप इनकी comment से agree नहीं करते हो, that's okay. Then you have to play a smart रोल, स्मार्ट कंटेंट आपको यूज करना है, एंड यू कैन स्टिल पुट अप योर वर्ड्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने कोई कमेंट रखा है या कंटेंट रखा है, उसके ऊपर किसी का कमेंट आया दैट आई टोटली डोंट अग्री विद दिस, सो दैट फेलो इज गिविंग देयर ओपिनियन. Respect to other opinion. That's absolutely fine. Everybody can have their own perspective. Everybody can have their own view. There's nothing sometimes right or wrong. That's just a difference of opinion, that difference of perspective. So that's absolutely fine, guys. Now in this case, what you have to do is you have to read the comment. आपको उनकी comment पढ़नी है. You have to understand the topic, what they are pitching into. And then acknowledge that first. Like for example, अगर कोई कहता है कि I totally disagree with your this thing, or maybe in my opinion this particular thing should not be there, and you should definitely start replying that, oh, I see that you have a point of view on this topic, and that's absolutely fine. I totally respect your point of view. I totally understand that you have a different perspective, but I do have another perspective. आप ऐसे उनको बात कर सकते हो, अपने comment ऐसे draft कर सकते हो. So first acknowledge कीजिए, then put your own opinion. That's how you can maintain, and that's how you can handle the argumentative or maybe opinion oriented comments, I would say, in your social media. So that's all about handling the social media comments, guys. So we have, like, I'm just summarizing it quickly. We have talked about three type of comments. One is the comment which are really positive, second type of comments which are like negative, and third is an argumentative. तो हमने ये तीन type की comments को कैसे handle करना है on your social media, if you are getting, we have seen that today, we have discussed about it, and we have totally understood now. So I hope that आज जितने भी लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, और maybe after the live also, whoever is going to watch this video, they are definitely going to try these tips and techniques, and do let me know if you implement this and this works. So I would be the most happiest person अगर आप मेरी information को use कर रहे हो, and then if you are getting a good results out of it, I will be the most happiest person, guys. Please do let me know. Alright, so moving ahead, Sunil is there. And Sunil is asking how to increase reach and get correct audience. Alright Sunil, so as guys, let me introduce, this is like Friday with Forum, and हम हर Friday यहाँ पे ये live show इसीलिए करते हैं that we can discuss and you can ask me all sort of questions in digital marketing. आप मुझसे जो भी पूछना चाहते हो, whatever your doubt, query, questions, I can take it up and I can help you, right? So of course your questions are like first priority for us, and I'm here to answer. I'm bound to answer for you. This is my commitment for all of you guys. So let me take this question, and if you want to talk to me in the video also, you can. आप मुझे सिर्फ video request भेज दीजिए and Instagram के ऊपर, and I can take you live with me. So answering to your question, Sunil, that how to increase the reach. All right. That's again a broad question, but I would take it, no problem. I'll give you a few quick tips and techniques कि आप अपनी increase कैसे कर सकते हो reach. So first and very important, have a great banner. Like your banner should be very huge. Second, with a short and crisp content. Third, correct keywords and hashtag को use कीजिए. Fourth, if you have a relevant people to tag in that post, tag people. Like by tagging them, it will reach more. And fifth and last, reuse your content. आप अपने ही content को बार बार reuse कीजिए. For example, the post what you have posted, reshare it in your story. Like the post what you have posted, आप उसको कहीं और दूसरे platform के ऊपर share कीजिए. WhatsApp में लोगों के साथ share कीजिए, आपके status में रखिए. So that's how you will be able to reach out to more people and to the correct audience. Now, correct audience का क्या definition है? Your audience is there. You should know what hashtags they are following, what hashtags they are using, where they stay. So आप उनको checking कीजिए वही places के ऊपर जहाँ पे आपकी correct audience है. So you should just check into those places more and use a hashtag of those places. So that's how you'll be able to reach out to correct audience, right? So you have to know your audience if you want to reach out to them correctly. Once you know your audience, you will definitely find a key to reach out to those people. So that's important thing which I have shared. All right. So moving ahead, Sunil, I hope you have got your answer. Oh my God, a lot of people are asking me, and I'm not sure, guys, because this Friday with Forum is only like 30-40 minutes live discussion. I would not be able to take this many questions, but let me try. Let me try taking all the questions. Okay, Rocky, hi, how are you? Hi, hello. So okay, so we have like मुझे digital marketing के tips, please. Okay, definitely. Dingu. Okay, Dingu, I would definitely share, but what exactly tips you are looking for? Digital marketing is a very broad topic, so you need to tell me like आप Facebook के लिए ढूंढ रहे हो, Instagram, YouTube, or maybe what exactly you are looking for. So just be a little specific. Rocky is, what are the fees of your digital marketing course? So Rocky, my digital marketing courses are different in the model, like अलग-अलग modules से होते हैं. So fees varies. The next batch which is coming, that is purely like with the Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and there we believe we want to empower people and businesses. So it's kept very nominal fees. This is, I think, one of my lifetime की सबसे lowest fees what we are charging. That is only and only 5,000 rupees. So you can definitely get enrolled. We want anybody should be able to learn digital marketing, and learning is like most important for everybody. So yeah, that's for you. Like 5th April we have our new batch starting. So guys, new course is launching, so everybody just get enrolled. All right, out of the topic question that we can use and buy data for calling, I mean on social media, some posts that I have data for car insurance. Okay, GM Surat. Okay, see, this is all, the game is all about data, and I know like the market is something where you get everything. Like ढूंढने पे तो खुदा भी मिल जाता है, तो डेटा तो क्या चीज है. So yes, I mean you can get it and people are there who gets it, but I'm not sure. Like I have never tried such buying of data because I don't know the quality, or maybe I don't trust the use of that data, and I feel it's not that right way of doing the marketing. So GM Surat, I'm so sorry I'd not be able to, help you out with that thing. But that's true. Even I have heard a lot about it. So yeah. Hi Dharmendra, hello. Hi Vijay, hi Drumil. Google AdSense tax last day of application. I mean, I'm so sorry, Lucky, but I didn't understand your question. Like, what is your question into this? Please specify your question. Okay, Sneha Vyas wants to have a request of video. Sneha, please, can you tell me like what exactly you want to talk to me? I will definitely love to take you live with me, no problem. Hi Dhruv. Oh, hi Kishan. Hi, good afternoon from London. Hi Kishan. Good afternoon to everybody who is watching me from London. Hi. Nikunj. Okay, I am exporter. How to use digital marketing in my business. So Nikunj, yes, let me take this out. No problem. All right. So exporter is B2B kind of a business, right? And you are dealing out of the boundaries, like out of the country. So that's a different type of people. Like, so first of all, you need to identify which country you want to tap in, which type of people you are tapping, and whom do you want to tap in more. I would say few platforms which are really good for exports, like LinkedIn and Facebook profile. I think these two are the best medium or best platforms where you can use for your export business, because LinkedIn is more about professionals. आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री के परचेज डिपार्टमेंट के हेड और मे बी QC हेड के साथ सीधा ही अप्रोच कर सकते हो, एंड दे विल बी एबल टू गेट इन टच विथ यू. आप उनके साथ DM में इजीली बात कर सकते हो, इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर, सॉरी लिंक्डइन के ऊपर, और मे बी फेसबुक DM के थ्रू. सो जस्ट ट्राई दिस टू प्लेटफॉर्म्स एंड यू विल बी एबल टू गेट मोर रिस्पॉन्स ओवर देयर. नाउ B2B और इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट के बिजनेस में ना ट्रस्ट फैक्टर का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस होता है. सो फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग यू नीड टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट in every post. Like just try to figure out like how can you build a trust. जैसे कि आपके shipment की quality क्या रहती है, maybe when you deliver, like you deliver on time, your paperwork is clear, and etc. Which countries you are already dealing, what type of quantity, like how much quantity you are dealing, and all those sort of things. So that's definitely you should add more. And these platforms, just try this out. And आपके पोस्ट में टेक्निकली अगर मैं आपको कुछ हेल्प कर पाती हूँ तो दैट इज समथिंग लाइक यूज अ हैशटैग, यूज चेकिंग दोज पीपल कि जो आपका कंट्री है, जो टारगेट ऑडियंस है, आप उनसे ज्यादा कनेक्ट कर दीजिए. सो दैट पुट मोर हैशटैग्स इन दैट ऑफ दैट कंट्री, पुट मोर हैशटैग्स और चेकिंग्स ऑफ दैट कंट्री, लोकेशन एंड एक्सेट्रा. एंड just I would say like one good website with really detailed information देने वाली website would be a game changer for you, because we have always observed that people who are like from outside country, they always try to research about you, and they research on Google. So whenever they'll find your website, they should get a perfect content for you. So that's how your content, I mean, I always say, like your website is your 24/7 salesman for you. So just work on these points, and I think you would be definitely able to excel. So all the best for your export business, and do let me know how did you like how did you implement these options or not. Mayur is like, I am not joining the last course of my busy schedule. So Mayur, you should definitely join the next batch, like this is coming up. लाइक जिंदगी में हम सबके पास बिजी शेड्यूल होता है, पर खुद की लर्निंग, अपग्रेडेशन एंड नॉलेज के ऊपर तो हमें टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज इफ यू आर नॉट मूविंग अहेड, एक्चुअली वी आर मूविंग behind, right? So Mayur, please don't miss this opportunity. Sometimes missing an opportunity is a big loss. So just get yourself upgrade. Okay, what syllabus you are going to cover in your DM course? Great dynamic, I mean some, okay, great dynamic. Okay, hi guys. Okay, hello digital hubs, Radha fashion, and yeah. So किसी ने हमें पूछा है, so this is the last question of the day, I think, that what topics I'm going to cover in my digital marketing course. So we have 8 topics covered. Fundamentals of digital marketing, how you can make your funnel, and what funnel will help you, how to implement that funnel into your digital platform, what is the science behind digital marketing, and how psychology and marketing is tightly coupled. That is a preface. Then we also cover Google Keyword Planner, Google My Business. Then we cover social media में Facebook, Instagram, organic marketing. We also take a bit of like SEO, that's very basic, but just to have a knowledge about it. And we also take like from beginners level to expert level of learning in advertisements. We give a lot of time in advertisements, like sponsored ads, how to run your own sponsored ads, and do mastery in Facebook Ad Manager. So that's the few topics which I can share it with you guys. To know more about it, just DM me. I would definitely able to share these things with you. And one more thing, what topics I would say come join and explore it that हम क्या सिखाते हैं वहाँ पे. It will be a very enjoying and fun session, guys. You would love this. That's my guarantee. So just join our digital marketing batch and you are going to like excel and you're going to enjoy the learning. So that's it from my end. And the last question we have. Hi Mohammed. Hi. A lot of people are joining still. Okay, so one question which I'm taking is that is it necessary to write content on every post? Do people really read out the content? And that's a great question. So I would like to take it like this is the last question which I'm taking it for today. And the answer is yes. Big yes. Right? So yes, we need to definitely write the content. Sometimes we post very abstract, very abstract post. Sometimes like, so we need to explain the post. What do you mean to say by this post? आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? What do you want to convey? Right? So all these things, if we want to, convey properly, we need to write the captions. And trust me, people who gets interested in your post, अगर आपकी banners को देख के, आपके first liner को देख के, और maybe आपके जो image का first liner है, और maybe आपका post caption का first liner है, that is so intrigued that people who are interested in your post, they will read your post. There are readers. There are genuine readers available. So I know people say it a lot of times, सिर्फ scrolling करते हैं, but I see like अगर 10% people are also serious and they like your content and they want to know more about it, we should be ready with the content. We should not have a blank post caption, right? So for those 10% people also, you need to do this mehnat and we need to do this writing a caption. So that's it from my end. I think that's it for today, guys. It was really enjoying. I mean, Tandil, I'm so sorry to take, will not be able to take the question. It's already time is over because it's every Friday we do this live session जहाँ पे हम Friday with Forum करते हैं. This is something we do it like every Friday. So this is my commitment to all of you. This is I think 23rd episode that we are doing and live session. So we'll see you in the next Friday. So till then, bye-bye, see you, take care. A lot of people join every Friday, so just stay tuned and bye-bye, see you, take care. Lastly, I would like to say two things, guys. To grow business, go digital. Okay, remember this mantra that to grow business, go digital. And hashtag go digital with Forum. So I'm always there. If you want to take your life digital, I'm there to help you. Allow me to uplift you. And just DM me if you have any questions. Further this also, we'll be able to help you there. So bye bye, see you, take care.